Who said the Ramadan we have to fast? We all know it, but it's always very good to keep reminding ourselves when the time of the act of worship comes in, especially if it comes every year like Ramadan or Hajj. We need to remind ourselves again, why? Who said so? Somebody, let's say we live in a non-Muslim country and people around you, and these days for those of us who goes to work, people will ask you, so why it is an obligation? It is one of the pillars of it's in the Quran, I'll come to that. It's in the Sunnah of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. He did it and he said to do it. And it's the consensus, the agreement of all scholars. No scholar, reputable scholar, old and recent, will come and tell you Ramadan is not an obligation. If he or she say that, then they really are not saying the right thing. Then also it is one of the pillars of the Islam, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and it is one of the acts that we all know. They call it in Arabic, al-ma'lumu bid-dini bid-darura. It's something every Muslim know that they fast Ramadan. And this is the verse, and in case you want to use it, inshallah you can memorize it. Ya ayyuha alladhina amanu, O you who attain faith, kutiba alaykum as-siyam. Fasting is an obligation upon you, as it is an obligation upon the people before you. As it is an obligation for the people before you, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. So you will be Allah conscious. This is the main reason, the main message from Ramadan is لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. Ya Allah, give me taqwa. I have no idea what this word means. I don't know how I am going to do it. Ya Allah, teach me.